when we look at Alkaline posters, bro, we want to all of the vendetta man them get this on the mid street, brother. Alkaline rate Vice Cartel, dog.
A few moments later.
It's a big man thing. That show here make me know say Alkaline rate Cartel long time. I mean, make the name I show. Yeah, keep a show and the show name up to the line. Might as well you just say up to the time. I
don't want to pay attention, but Alkaline rate Vice Cartel. Because first of all, what I know say Alkaline rate Vice Cartel.
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
You know, I want to talk this, you know, that I'm not a hypocrite, you know. What the posters name when Alkaline give the party we are keep in a February, March. I keep in a March in the Barclays Center. You know the party name? The party name Up to the Line, dog. Up to the Line. Who say up to the time?
You move your pussy wall and come down.
May I represent for one Media Fox? Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock?
Don't know a Media Fox, you know. On a know things that a one Media Fox man on a human tube. You understand? People, this I get from bad to worse. The Gaza man them are crash out. From Alkaline announce new rules in a Barclays. The man them are crash out till the man them are end up at Bellevue. Me I tell you people. Some you really people, you have to hear the madness here. You can't believe this, dog. You understand? The man them mad out till them don't know where them a say and what he say, bro. Brother, you know really obsessed with the way you obsessed with Alkaline, brother. Me I tell you, bro, it's like, bro, if Alkaline a walk down the road, the man them a say, yo, I can't tell him a fella. Everything with Alkaline do. Bro, I saw no love, man, dog. Eh? You know, watch our next man. And I think about next man so much. People, you not forget hear this. You'll jump in a video.
By get introduced by Bounty Killer. You get what I mean? Yeah, so one type of Alkaline now. Boom. We see new rules I keep, right? We did in Brooklyn last week, and first I see the new rules posters. Sometime in February, March, it I keep. We find out say the ticket them out and sale right now. The ticket them not sold out yet, but them still on sale. Them take time to do them thing. You get what I mean? Alkaline first big arena like this. The first other arena before it was in England, where it was like 12,000 people. So this one in New York now, you know, up to like 19,000 change. So it's a good look. Humongous. You get what I mean? Yeah, man. So basically, what me I say is, when we look at Alkaline posters, bro, we want to all the vendetta man them get this on the mid street, brother. Alkaline rate Vice Cartel, dog. I tell you.
Brother, the man say, when him look for Alkaline posters, that shows say Alkaline rate Vice Cartel. Bro, man, bro, I saw no want a next man rate a man so much, brother. Dog, I want to do it. People, how them man do it? I can't believe this. Bro, Cartel can't live him life without Alkaline. I fi attach to his name. Eh? So Alkaline a keep him show in a Barclays, right? With theme picture upon it. New rules. And the man them have to add Cartel to it. Jesus Christ. Bro, you're not dangerous, you know, brother. Me I tell you, know. Cartel can't do anything and Alkaline can't do anything. Everything with Alkaline do, yo, a cartel. Bro, who not sleep? They come like them man in a sleep to rotted. Me I tell you.
I want to listen to him song. I just want to be in denial and feel like I want to be stubborn. I don't want to pay attention. But Alkaline rate Vice Cartel. Because first of all, what I know say Alkaline rate Vice Cartel.
People, listen. Why him say Alkaline rate Vice Cartel? Because people, yo, be a madness. A Bellevue. Me I tell you, 469. Yeah, man, call 469 for him, man. Wait, Ward 21. Because, brother, people, here we go on.
CJ Millan of Vice Cartel, biggest promoter. We promote all of the dance in the Vice Cartel come home and work with. You think say if Alkaline never read Vice Cartel, once upon a time Alkaline even want to go around certain things with Vice Cartel. I mean, he do, not nice and all other things, but me talk like promoters wise. You know, who don't want to work with them, come and say, I didn't man, so Alkaline work with CJ Millan, that will show you say, Alkaline respect what going on with Vice Cartel come out and do. Well,
yo, dog, me tell you, people, get them money. People, please, call Bellevue for me, please. Call Bellevue. So this man say, through Alkaline, a partnership with CJ Millan, which is a promoter, which is a lady that doing business, show business. I rate Alkaline, rate Cartel because him a do business with CJ Millan. How many show producer, right? How many shows producer where Cartel work with an Alkaline? Look how much out there. Me not understand. So you tell me say Cartel own CJ Millan now? Me never know this. Then wait. CJ Millan never keep showing Cartel in prison. So how now me never know say Cartel own CJ Millan now? Bro, what I'm doing, brother? The man them obsessed with Alkaline so much till the man can't do nothing. And them not compare with Cartel or whatever Cartel I do, brother. CJ is a promoter, bro. A business, show business. This not have nothing to do with Cartel, bro. You understand? It not have nothing to do with Cartel. Not because CJ Millan a link up with Cartel and a business them a deal with. You think a friend thing? Business. You understand? You know mix business with pleasure, brother. On a sick in on the head, dog.
Alkaline give it bomb buckler concert name because most of them vendetta bagaya are vendetta followers. Most of them don't know that Jamaican, no follow that foreign too. But no follow that in the city posters. What coming here, you don't know talk this, no that, I'm a hypocrite, you know. What the posters name when Alkaline give the party we are keeping in February, March. We are keeping a March in the Barclays Center. You know the party name? The party name up to the line, dog. Up to the line. Who say up to the time? Common sense, bro. You don't want that rocket scientist to see this, man, if you say, you know, say, Alkaline real cartel, or if you know real cartel, he might do certain things close to a cartel do to create a controversy around female. Because remember, from the Umbre bus, you know.
Jesus Christ. People, in a comment, please, me don't know, call Bellevue there for me, please. Get Bellevue number for me. Please, me I beg you. So this man, see a poster, right? And the man say, up to people, me don't know, who know about this up to the line thing we are keep in a Barclays? The last time me check, Up to Line is a show I always keep for years after champs. Is a after champs show. It's not Alkaline show. Alkaline show is new rules. Me never know say Up to the Line I keep a Barclays. Where him get film information from? So wait there now. Alkaline just a perform for Up to the Line, right? Remember, you know, this is not Alkaline brand. But because them want compare Cartel to whatever Alkaline I do, through the show say Up to the Line, the man them a say, yo, Alkaline a follow Cartel and him read Cartel because the show say Up to the Line when Cartel say up to the time. Dog, oh no sick, you know, brother. Bro, when the IQ there? No, man. This gets serious now. This gets serious. So I show him Up to the Line. This now have nothing to do with Alkaline. Alkaline just a do business. He might go perform on the show like any other show. And then man, you find one little space if try get Cartel involved. You are say Alkaline I do that. I keep one show. Which is not Alkaline show, brother. You understand? And una go compare it with what Cartel say. Bro, John dog. Then you see it over the years. Una see now people. Una see who always a compare Vice Cartel with Alkaline. Now una see it, right? Una see it now. Because if Alkaline a keep a show, which is new rules in a Barclays, and I go perform a one next show, right? We are no film. How Cartel dropping at this? How Cartel dropping at this? Dog, me no know, brother. Me no know how to do it, bro. Me I tell you, me no know how to do it.
We all know, say, in controversy, them are surrounded by Vice Cartel and whatever. And all of them make money after just calling Vice Cartel name. All of them know this in the dancehall. Most of them know we just don't want to even admit it. And just because we're tired of the Vice Cartel around the game so long, we don't want something else new. Because we know the brain and it's just like that. The brain don't like to see one thing too much. Depends if your brain powerful, it will like that. Because like our brain are powerful, we like to see him because we know why I'm here for. We know the significant meaning why I'm here and know.
People more know. How much time Alkaline never call Cartel name in a dancehall? Tell me no. I must say Alkaline I use the back and forth thing for steer. Me not understand that. Because for a man we wanna see with this controversial thing. A man where, brother, the man trying best to stay out a camera, stay off of Instagram, stay off of all social media platform. Right? But una say him a pre next man for controversy, brother. Me not understand this. The only time me hear Cartel, only time me hear Alkaline mention something close to Cartel, And when him say, nah get the pussy and the palmer, you better hold your can. That is the only time, brother. Me no know no other time. Me no know no other time, bro. And him not even say Vice Cartel. Man say Annie Palmer. So me no know. So if you feel like say Alkaline I use Cartel strength, brother. Brother, Cartel not the media, Alkaline is not. You feel like say Alkaline I look relevancy, brother? The man I only dancehall artist of all time. Where people can say, yo, them never yet see them man there yet. Them never buck up them man there yet. Them not know them man there, although them know say him is our top artist in the game. People who work them say them never see him yet, never buck him up. So how a man a try to stay relevancy? Somebody will try to stay relevancy, brother, in the media every day. I post up this, post up that, do video, everything. You understand? Different from a youth where just hold him on. Anytime you see them man there just on stage, you don't see him private life. So if him do want do things to stay relevant, he would not do it, but he's not. You understand? But I don't know. Sometimes I feel like I don't know. Them guys are man, bro. I don't know. Them are some different species this. I tell you, different species because another first me hear it in the people. Another first me hear it because them man, everything with Alkaline do, them try some way to add Cartel name to it. I don't know how them do it. All when it not have nothing to do with Cartel, brother. So cause I show name up to the line. We are keep people, you know how long the show they keep? Up to the line. After Champ show, a long time it a keep. You understand? A long time, people. I'm not sure the date, but it's a long time that show keeping. Alkaline maybe just a go up on the show. Seen? But that's not Alkaline show. And new rules Alkaline show. So I don't know you get up to the line and keeping a Barclays. That for sure. And say, do you know obsessed with somebody you don't know what not talk, brother? You understand? Because I know the posters we are keep in a Barclays. You're not seeing up to the line pan it. You're not seeing up to the... I don't think you're seeing up to the line posters in a New York. After now they say show I keep. You understand? The show I keep in a Jamaica. Police Officers Club. You understand? March the 28th. You understand? So I don't know Barclays Center new rules. That are March the 21st. So I don't know where to get no info from, bro. But I'm not so obsessed with Alkaline and chat be a bag of madness.
So him at the gate runner and the one where always go open doors to holy fathers in great ways, like basically open doors to make you guys see that we can charge 1.5 million and other things too. You get what I mean? But deeply, bro, Alkaline Cartel, Alkaline concert name up to the line. Brother, why would you name a concert up to the line if you never know the Vice Cartel up to the time? It make no sense, but people think about it. People want...
Brother, go sit down, man. Come down now, brother. Go sit down, dog. You just make yourself fool on the internet, that brother. Me tell you about them Gaza man, dog. Yeah, some, me don't know. You have some sensible Gaza fans out there. Brother, the show is not, up to the line is not Alkaline show, fam. Bro, you can just simple Google or chat GDP, na dog. Google the information before you forward on the media. I look like a fool, brother. The show did a long time, brother. You understand? It's just that Alkaline headline it. We want to get this up to the line thing, brother, and I mix up with Cartel up to the... Yo, brother, Cartel one words? Me no know. Cartel copyright that? Me no understand. We're up to the line if we do it up to the time, brother. Eh? Yo, them mother dangerous people. May I tell you?
Don't follow the page. I don't know any eye, bro. From the other day, we don't want to follow the page and be a greatness where I come with. You get me? But you're messing...
Brother, be a trash here come with about greatness, dog. You know no sense, brother. Come off of media, dog. You understand? You know no sense, brother. But people might have a next clip, cause me see a brother him run out in our next madman this, you know. You understand? Our next madman this. So look here now. That poster here look like... Wait, how this look like? This look like a poster there in a crossroad or something like so. See? So he might pass the up to the line poster, right? Yeah, man. This a keep a police officers club. You don't see the date. March the 28th. See? So he might pass. Here where am I gonna say, you know, people? Here where this man I say, Kai, come like them Gaza man, brother. Them sick, dog. May I tell you? Here where am I say?
Say big man thing. That show here make me know say Alkaline rate Cartel long time. I mean, Next name my show. You keep a show and the show name up to the line. Might as well you just say up to the time. Cause it come like you sleep and wake with the Gaza by your mind.
Boy, may I tell you to rot it. People, if Vendetta boss can't do nothing to rot it and them not compare me with Cartel, dog. May I tell you, dog. A good thing say Alkaline no love, the public thing and the internet thing, Cause this would have even worse, It would have been that everything with Alkaline do a Cartel my follow, dog. You understand? The man them watch Alkaline. People, tell me though, the man them a pass a poster with Alkaline and the first thing, the man them a go say, yo, a Cartel. Yo, shadow people, may I tell you that. We can't bother with them man, bro. May I tell you, we can't bother with them man, dog. Them Gaza man, bro, man, them sick, dog. Y'all tell me, say, Alkaline a keep him show them, dog, and he come like he show them a mad out the man, them, dog. Till the man them a chat crap. You understand? The man them a go on like say, Cartel copyright up to the time, bro. Chano, dog. Youth, on a dangerous, brother. May I tell you, on a dangerous, dog. May I tell you, on a really not have nothing to do. On a really not have nothing to do, brother. Because on see a show Alkaline book for, and una go say, yo, the man a keep him show, and I try copy Cartel up to the time thing. Brother, the show up to the line did a long time after Champs Party, brother. Long time. But because you want to add Cartel in everything, what Alkaline do, you have to try no way and find some way to try line up Cartel. Brother, you see over the years, it shows that Uno brother and obsessed with Alkaline so much where Uno compare him with Cartel for years. May I tell you, for years, bro. You understand? For years. I don't know how to do it, dog. You see me, but people, I saw things that, I want media fast. Cause I have to show up them man are madman, dog. I tell you, But me have to correct the narrative. Cause I don't want people them say, yo, up to the line I keep in a Brooklyn. In a Barclays Center. You understand? Cause be a mad something them man do. So, people, remember, get on a ticket. March 21st, Barclays Center. It'll go loud. March 28th, up to the line. Police Officers Club. In a Jamaica. Kingston. Yeah, if you don't know Devon House, just up the road from Devon House. So. You understand? Yeah, man. Go buy on a ticket and think. We can't make them money out there so give some crazy information, dog. With them love man self. You understand? Yeah, cause them dep on a different level of madness. You see it? But people, big up on yourself, you don't know one media facts, you don't know a thing set. Touch.